stop! If you've hit menopause, these exercises could be doing more harm than good. Ladies, staying active is crucial after menopause, but some workouts can increase injury risks, strain your joints, or even slow your progress. In this video, I'll reveal the top exercises to avoid and, more importantly, what to do instead. First on the list, high-impact exercises like running and jumping. Menopause can lead to weaker bones, making these workouts risky for fractures or joint pain. Instead, go for low-impact cardio like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming to protect your joints while keeping your heart strong. Next, avoid crunches and sit-ups. These movements put excessive pressure on your spine and may lead to back pain. Swap them out for planks, standing core workouts, or pelvic tilts for a safer way to strengthen your abs. Ever done behind-the-neck pull-downs? This move can strain your shoulders and increase the risk of injury. A safer alternative. Bring the bar to your chest, same muscle engagement, less risk. And finally, HIIT workouts. While they're popular, high-intensity training can spike cortisol levels, making it harder to lose belly fat. Instead, go for strength training at a steady pace. It helps build muscle, burns fat, and keeps your metabolism high. Menopause doesn't mean you stop working out. It just means working out smarter. Drop a flexed bicep emoji in the comments if you're ready to train the right way, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it.